egg snake gourd shallot casserole or egg snake gourd shallot bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the egg recipes and one of the most delicious of the shallot recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the snake gourd recipes and one of the most different of the egg casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the shallot casserole recipes. Today we are going to make egg snake gourd shallot casserole. We've taken around 30 to 35 shallots, 15 grams of garlic, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 2 boiled eggs which we have boiled and deshelled, and around 100 grams of peeled and cut snake gourd pieces. Pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the shallots. Saute keep on sauteing. Until the shallots lose the pinkish color. Put in garlic, saute the garlic and the shallots again. Put in salt to taste. Saute. Put in the tomato pieces. salt the tomato piece thoroughly with the rest of the mixture. Put in a spoon of chili powder and a quarter spoon of turmeric powder, salt, salt and mix salad. Pour in around 15 ml of water and let it cook, and let the water evaporate. Keep on sauteing. Put in the snake gourd pieces. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly saute and mix. Put in the eggs. Mix. Thoroughly mix. Pour in 200 ml of water. Mix thoroughly and let it boil. Close and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Open after cooking for the required amount of time. Now the egg snake gourd shallot casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is a final egg snake gourd shallot casserole, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the unique egg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the snake gourd recipes and one of the most different of the shallot recipes, one of the most delicious of the shallot casserole recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.